Children, all of you on your cameras. So today we'll finish the chapter, this one, linear equation in two variables. We'll finish the chapter. Okay, children? Nihar, Sai, Ashini, Satvik, all of you on the cameras. All right. So 4.3 was cleared last time. So we have to start 4.4. Okay. All of you can see this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So see the first question, what we are having in the textbook. Give the geometric representation of y is equal to 3 as an equation. If you want to represent in one variable, then how will represent? And if you want to represent in two variables, then how will represent? See, one variable is nothing but same only. Y is equal to 3. What is given here? Just see downwards. See how to represent in one variable. If you are writing y is equal to 3 in one variable, you can write only, you can see y is equal to 3, right? And if you want to represent on a number line, you know this one middle will be 0, left hand side will be -1, -2, and right side will be 1, 2. So this is in one variable, right? Only x, right? Or y, whatever it is. If it is y, then y you can see this is your y axis, or you can see x axis, no problem. Okay. So in one variable, you have to point, that is, you should write over that point. Okay, that is your 3. Or you can draw, if you want y axis, you can draw like this also if you want. 0 is here, 1, 2, 3. You can point out like this also. Okay, y is equal to 3. Understood?
Sir, answer is same for horizontal and vertical, right?
Yeah. For one variable, not a problem.
Okay.
So y is equal to 3, you can write like this. But if you're talking about two variable, so you should represent x also, you should include in that. Two variable means x also you should represent over here. You should write here, say 0x plus y is equal to 3. In this way, you have to represent in two variable. Okay. If anything you are representing.
Sir, why is it 0.x?
Not 0.x, 0 into x.
Oh.
Means x is not there at all, right?
Okay, so the point means into.
Yeah, point means into, yes.
Okay.
So 0 dot, already we are not writing. Why they are preferring point, you know, because already you are writing x also will be like this, into also will be like this. That's why they are not representing multiplication with cross sign. They are putting what? Dot means multiplication only, right? AB, we are not writing anything, dot is there, so it is multiplication. Understood? So instead of multiplication, we are using dot over here. So how to represent this y is equal to 3 into variable? Like this. 0 into x plus y is equals to 3. Okay. So for this one, how to draw? How to draw on the graph paper? See here. This is the equation of line in two variable. I told you, children, this is, you should write in which one? This is nothing but a line only. See, this is a two variable, right? So whatever you are putting the value of x in on this line, your x value may differ, but y is equal to always what? 3 only. Understood? If you are putting x is equal to 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, your y value will remain the same. Correct? Understood, children?
Sir, we can take here x as 0 also, right?
Yeah, no problem. If you are putting
Sir, in
0,
that case, we'll get a different line. Like,
how
we'll
will
get,
get? How
sir,
will get?
we'll get a slanting line.
How will get slanting line? If here 0x plus y is equal to 3 is there. If you put x is equal to 0, then what do you get? Y is equal to 3 only you get, no?
Yes, sir.
So this is that point.
Yes, sir, it's same thing. Same thing.
Yeah. So children, if you are putting in two variable, no, then you get one line, and if you are putting in one variable, then you'll get one point over there. Understood? That is the only difference. Means y is equal to 3. You can represent in two ways. One variable, and you can represent in what? Two variable also. Two variable also. Okay. So both you understood how to represent in one variable and how to represent in two variables. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
So this one variable, if you talk, this is a point only will come. If two variable will talk, this is a line. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So that's the end of the first question. First question got over. They are saying that you represent y is equal to 3 in one variable and two variables. So two variable you'll get one line, and in single variable you'll get one point over in the equation. So children, those who are having doubt, they can ask now.
So could you explain how we the lines? I
This
didn't
line, you
understand.
were talking about this line?
No, so the whole diagram, I didn't understand how it works.
See, once again, I'm telling you, for not understanding, I'll just tell you. Because before also I told you, no, that's why I'm not representing over here. See, this is a line, right?
Yes, sir.
If any graph you are making, so you have to, you should draw this line, correct?
Yes, sir.
So on this line, y is equal to 3, how to draw a line for y is equal to 3? Tell me.
Sir, on the y-axis, we have to keep 3 ticks and then one
Yeah,
tick is a
you
3.
should make here 3, and this is parallel to x-axis, correct?
Yes, sir.
This is the line. This is not 3, this is 3, okay? Then what is your doubt? Tell me what you are asking now.
Okay, sir. So we have to calculate the 3 on that y-axis and then draw a line through it, right?
Yeah, and if get any, suppose if you put also 0x plus y is equal to 3, whatever the value of x you put here, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever is coming in your mind, that will become 0 because here 0x is given over there, right?
Yes, sir.
So y is equal to 3 only you will get, because see, at this point, suppose this is -7. At -7 also we are getting 3. At -3 also we are getting what? 3 only. Understood?
Okay, so this only works if it's x is equal to 0, right?
No, we are putting x equal to any number now.
No, sir, I mean like 0x. Like, if it only works if we're multiplying 0 with x, right?
Obviously, the y is equal to 3 is nothing but what? 0x only you should write. That is compulsory now. 0x plus
Okay,
y is
sir.
equal to 3.
I understood.
Because this is two variable. In two variable, we are having x as well as y. So children, you can draw no in one variable as well as two variable.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So question number 1, no one having doubt.
No,
No.
sir.
No, sir.
Now see this one, they are putting the value of x, 1, 2, -1, whatever they are putting, they're getting value as 3 only. Okay. So you can represent y is equal to 3 in two ways, either single variable or double variable, two variables. Okay. Now next question is question number 2, that is find the geometrical representation of 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay. And this equation you should write in one variable and two variable also. How to write geometrical representation? In one variable, what we can write here? 2x plus 9
The
is
same
equal to,
thing, sir. So same thing.
yeah. So x is equals to, will get -9/2.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
X is equals
Yes,
to, will
sir.
get -9 divided by 2. -9 divided by 2. Next question, here you see, therefore, x is equals to -9/2 is a unique solution on the number line. That you can write on the number line, that is only 1 point you should write, correct?
Yes, sir. We'll get only 1 point.
Yeah, see this number line over here. So -9/2 is nothing but what? Satvik, -9/2 is equal to -4.5. You can put between -4 and -5. Understood, Satvik?
Yes, sir.
So like this, we have to deal with this one variable and two variable. Same if you're talking about two variable, then see how to write.
We can write it like 2x plus 9 is equal to 0y.
Yeah. So 2x plus 0y is equal to minus 9 we can write. What we'll write for this? 2x
Yes, the same
plus
thing.
0y is equals to what? 9, correct?
Yes, sir. Sir, we can write it as 2x minus 9 is equal to 0y also, right?
Yeah, but generally what we are using, ax plus by plus c is equals to this. This is general equation, right?
Okay, okay. So we have to use it in general form.
Yeah, that is also possible. This also you can write, no problem. 2x
Okay.
plus 9 is equal to what you want to write? 0y, correct?
Yes,
No
sir.
problem.
That
This
one.
also you can write, not a problem.
Okay, sir.
So whatever you put the value of y, you will get 4.5.
So the
only.
general form is ax plus by is equal to c. Oh, plus c is equal to 0.
Yeah.
Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0.
Yes. Plus c is
Sir,
equals to. Ah,
sir, I did not understood that give the geometric representation of y is equal to 3.
now you are having doubt in mic or what? After a long time
Sir,
you asked.
means I do not have doubt in the representation, sir, in the graph, but I have doubt in that first question, sir. Yes, sir, in one variable and in two variables.
See, one variable is nothing but simply you should put y is equal to 3 on a number line. Suppose you are having number line like this. Okay. So you can take here 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. This point you let it as y is equal to 3. You can take this line horizontal or vertical, whatever you want, you can do that. Okay.
Yes,
Right.
sir, then two variables.
And two variable is nothing but we have to draw dimension over here. I told you before also how to draw the graph. So the two variable is nothing but 0x plus y is equal to 3. You are getting this or not?
Yes, sir, then y x has 0, sir, and y has 3.
Then what is the doubt?
So means I did not now what we need to do, sir, in two variables.
Same thing, you can just draw a line, this one x and y you put. Whatever you x put 0, 1, 2, 3, your answer will be 3 only all the time. Understood? So you should put here, this line will come if you solve this. This is y is equal to 3.
Sir, how, sir, 3? Means if we kept 1, sir, then the y value will come as 2.
0x, whatever you take x, that complete part will be 0 only, no, Sai Charan?
Okay, 0x, sir. Yes, sir.
Because here 0 is not mentioned, so we are writing in two variable. 0x
Yes.
plus y is equal to 3. So whatever value of x you put, you will get 0 only. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So your line will come like this. And this point is 3, and your this line name is what? Y is equal to 3, or you can say 0x plus y is equal to 3. Understood or not?
Sir, is it a point, sir, or line, sir?
Two variable if you are talking, then it's a line. If one variable if you talk, then you can point. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
It may be one variable also, it may be two variable also. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir, clear. Sir, 1 minute, I'll join again. I have a problem with this device.
You're having net problem?
Sir, I'll join from other device.
Okay, fine, fine. Children, if you're not owning the camera, no. I'm just going to send to the this thing. I won't allow children if you're not owning the camera. I can see only Sahil. If you don't want to on the camera, keep on off the camera. Don't on only. Okay, children? Because means they are messaging Chanakya means tutorials, they know they are messaging us. Always children should on the camera, okay? It is a policy of this. Without camera, you should not proceed further. If really you are having problem with the camera, off the camera, don't on.
Sir, I will on in 1 minute, sir.
Because after again, after 5 minutes, I should tell everyone on the camera, on the camera, on the camera. What, you are saving the data or you don't want to show your face? What is the problem? Either of these two you might having in your mind. Children. All are smart students here. Why you want to just hide your face? Fine. Question number one now. Sai challenge clear to you?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
All right. So question number is question number 2. This also is similar to first question. Okay. In one variable, we are just putting x is equals to minus 9 by 2. So simply should point out minus 9 by 2 on a number line. Okay. Simply should point out minus 9 by 2 on a number line. So you can write here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This side also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you write here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So this is the point where that minus 9 by 2 lies. Y is x is equal to minus 9 by 2. So this is a line in one variable. What we call this is a line in one variable. If you talk about two variable, the same thing what you should do, children? 2x plus 0y is equals to 9. Okay. So whatever you are putting the value over here, x and y, if you want to put, you can put over here. Whatever the value of y will be there, 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, whatever you put, you will get x is equal to 9 by 2 only all the time.
Yes, sir.
Minus 9 by 2, sorry, minus 9, you should put here. Minus 9 by 2, you will get all the time. So minus 9 by 2, if just search on the number line is in the coordinate. Okay.
Sir, on a graph paper, we can do it.
Yeah. So I'm just erasing this is a part of two
Sir, on
variables.
the exam, do we have to do with the graph paper or can we do it like this only?
They will give the graph paper. If they won't give, then you will use this paper only. But most probably they will give graph paper in the exam time.
Yes, sir.
So see how they have drawn here. You might have understand this answer, correct? See down graph,
Yes, sir.
graph you understanding it or not?
Sir, y is always 0, right?
Hmm?
Y is always 0, right?
Always 0. Depends on your this thing, no? Depends on your
No, sir,
question,
in this
right?
question, in this question.
Y is equal to 0. Yeah, always be 0. Yes. Because your answer is what? It's given 2x plus 0y is equals to what? 9, minus 9. So whatever you put the value of y, you will get y will be what? 0 only. Here, if y is equal to 1 you put, then also you'll get x is equal to something. Whatever the value of y you put, whatever the value of y you put, you will get answer as what? X is equals to minus 9 by 2 only every time. Okay.
Sir, how did we plot minus 9 by 2, sir?
Minus 9 by 2. Minus 9 by 2 is what? Minus 4.5 only, no?
Okay, sir.
So a minus x is equal to minus 4.5. This is what? Parallel to what?
Y axis.
Y-axis.
Y axis. And minus 4.5 you put here. This is parallel to y axis only now. So this is the answer. See, this is the line. Any one of you having doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Fine. So here we'll put here divide by 9 by 2. And here also 9 by 2. And here also 9 by 2 we write here. This x will be always minus 9 by 2. So here, so no one having doubt. So this exercise got finished. Total chapter only got finished from NCERT. Okay. Now few will do from extra questions. Okay. Few extra questions will do off right now. See, these are the questions. Draw the graph of linear equation. Y is equals to 2 by 3x plus 1 by 3. Check from the graph that 7 by 5 is solution of linear equation. Can you do this, children? Can you do, all of you? Draw the graph of linear equation y is equals to 2 by 3x plus 1 by 3.
So
Hmm.
then y is equal to 1, right?
Y is equal to 1. What?
So 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3.
Why you are adding 2 by 3 plus 1 by
Oh,
x is
sorry,
also
sir. I
there
didn't
now.
see the x. I forgot the x, sir.
So y is equals to here you are having y is equals to 2 by 3x plus 1 by 3. You have to draw the graph for this. So what you can do now, you can make it linear if you want. Take the LCM if you want. You can take LCM over here. So you can write here 2x plus 1, correct? So you can write here 3y is equals to 2x plus 1. Or y is equals to, you can write 2x plus 1 divided by 3. Is it clear, children?
Yes, sir.
So anything you can do. See here also is there y is equal to 2x plus 1 by 3. You can use this one formula or this one, your wish.
Sir, then how will plot it in graphs?
How to plot in graph? What is the method of plotting the graph? How
No,
to
sir,
plot?
by this answer.
Hmm? You are
Oh,
making
okay, sir.
you are making this one only, no? X and y you are putting, right?
Yes.
Then so we have to draw the graph for this, correct? Right here x, right here y. You can put whatever you want, you can put from this only we can do, right? See if you put x is equals to 1, if you put x is equal to 0, then you get 1 by 3. So don't put x is equal to 0. You can put x is equals to 1. If you put x is equals to 1, you'll get 3 by 3. That is 1 only. Y is equal to 1. Correct? If you
Yes,
put
sir.
x is equals to 1, you'll get y is equals to 1. If you put y is equals to 0, if you put y is equal to 0, you'll get what? 0 is equals to 2x plus 1. So 2x is equals to minus 1, x is equals to minus half. Correct?
Yes, sir.
If you put y is equals to 2x, y is equal to 0, then you will get 2x plus 1 divided by 3. And divide by 3 means nothing but 0 only. No, 3 into 0 will become 0, right? So 3 I'm not writing over here. So 0 is equal to 2x plus 1. The 2x is equals to what? Minus 1, x is equals to minus half. That is, you can write here minus 0.5. Okay. So by the help of two distinct coordinates, you can draw the graph.
Sir, I substituted x. I got x is equal to 3y minus 1 by 2.
X is that also you can do, no problem.
And then I took the value of y as 1. I got x as 1 and y is 3 and x is 3. X is 4.
Is it 3 and 4, right?
Yeah, yes, sir. First I took
Yeah,
value
it
of
comes
y
same
as
only.
1.
Yeah, it comes same only, yes. Here only you can put no, x is equal to 4 means 4 to the 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 by 3 is 3.
So yes, sir, same thing.
So you can plot
Sir,
the
then
graph.
what is the
Sir,
7, 5, sir?
What?
He told that check from the graph that 7, 5 is the solution of the linear.
After making the graph, no. Or simply you put here answer only, Sai Charan. What is the solution, you know? Simply you put x is equal to 7, you will get answer as 5. It is getting or not. You put here only. From here only you'll get to know whether it's solution or not. Means on putting the value of x, y is equal to 5, x is what you should get?
7.
7. Or put the value, your wish, which one you want to put, you put. Put x is equal to 7. So what you get? Y is equal
This is
to,
the graph I got, sir.
acha, got no same answer. Yeah,
Yes, sir. Like
ah,
I'm showing you the graph which I
acha.
made.
Okay, fine, it's correct. So y is equal to 2 into 7 plus 1 divided by 3. So 7 to the 14, 115 by 3.
Sir,
So
how would we show this with graph? Like how would we show it if we
sub,
had a graph?
wait, I'm telling you. First I'll make the graph. See, by the help of algebraic like that, we got 5. It means it is a solution of linear equation, correct?
Yes, sir. Like that I can do, but then I want to know from the.
Yeah. Now graph I'm telling you. Suppose 1, 1. So here 1 is there. Here also 1 will come. So 1 is this point, correct? This I'm
Yes,
writing as 1, comma 1. Second one is minus 0.5 comma 0. It means minus 0.5 will come somewhere here. Correct. Minus 0.5 comma 0 will come like this.
Yes, sir.
So your line will be somewhere. It looks like correct. No, it looks like almost like this only, right?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
actually-
Totally looks.
Huh?
Sir,
We
but
can
it has
join
to
the point.
pass through the point, right?
1 minute, 1 minute. I'll tell you how you are having doubt 7,5 only, right?
Yes, sir. That only I would know.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Wait. One minute. I'll just do once again. 1 minute. I'll take almost exact this one. No, then you'll get to know. 1 minute. I'll take exact almost one. So 1 comma 1. I'm just taking bit distance over here. I'll take here 1. And half of it 0.5 I'll take somewhere here. Okay. And 1 is here also. Correct. So this is the point we get. Correct. Now I just
Yes.
this is 0.5 comma 0. This is 1 comma 1. Now I just try to do the graph. See here. Now you just go 7 is there x no on the same axis. See this is the axis. X axis you see. X axis this only, right? See this is a see this only expand here. I'll just extend this line only. This only line I'll extend over here. Okay. Okay, understood. See Nihar. This line will extend here. I just mentioned here 1, 2, 3, 4.
So that
Five.
line only you have to extend till 7.
Yeah, because x is 7 here, no?
Okay, okay.
So
And
at
then
a
get the answer.
yeah, x if you see this you should match with this top here like this. So this will match at 5. Here this 7 comma 5 will come. If you see there, it should come 7 comma 5. Okay, that is the only answer on the graph paper. It should match to 7 comma 5. Understood? This line should match at 7 comma 5. It's happening or not? Just check.
Okay, sir. I'll check, sir.
Mhm. Understood, everyone? Children understood what is happening here?
Yes, sir.
Because he has mentioned one line over here from 7. This should match at y is equal to 5. The 7 comma 5 is the solution for this equation.
Sir,
This-
if you're proving 7,5 in the actual calculation method, then it's proven that it should be on the graph, or else you're doing the graph wrong, right?
Yeah, you can see by this one also you can show, and by graph also you can show your wish.
It's not possible for it not to be on the graph, but we prove it.
No, it will not survive. If it is not coming off graph paper, it means you did the graph wrong.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay.
Both should match. Understood? Both should match.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Is it clear to everyone, children? Anyone having doubt in this?
Sir
Yes,
means
sir.
we need to join those dots and we need to form a line. If it is not forming, then it's wrong.
Yeah. This 7 you're extending up, no? This should match to 5. Okay. On this line. Actually, this line should match at 7 comma 5. Your coordinate should be 7 comma 5 to match these points. Not getting?
Yes, sir.
If you see that this thing, no, by graph paper you're doing, if you do once, if you're having doubt, you can ask, okay? Without here only we can't understand if you're not having the graph, okay? Hi, Charan.
Yes, sir.
All right. Then we move to next question, question number 2. The question number 2 is, if fraction becomes 1 by 4 when 2 is subtracted from a numerator and 3 is added to denominator. Who will do this question? Shriyanvi, can you answer me how to do this question?
Okay, sir.
If fraction becomes 1 by 4 when 2 is subtracted from the numerator and 3 is added to the denominator. Represent the situation as a linear equation in 2 variable and also find 2 solutions for this. The first you tell me what would be the equation, how to form the equation.
Sir, I got the equation.
Got the equation, what you
Yes,
get?
sir. Sir, x minus 2 by y plus 3 is equal to 1 by 4.
Why x minus 2?
So it's written when x is
Sir, I written
write
as
numerator as x and denominator as y.
Yeah, you
So
should write here, let the fraction be.
Okay,
Should
sir.
write here, let the fraction be. Let the fraction be x by y. Correct. Then according to question, we can do that. X minus 2 divided by y plus 3 is equals to 1 by 4. Correct.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now do cross multiplication, children. 4x minus 8 is equals to y plus 3. Or you can write 4x minus y is equals to 11. So this is the equation what we can understand from here, right? 4x minus y is equals
Yes,
to
sir.
11. So now you have to make the graph. Which all answers are coming? Just tell me. You have to make the graph now. The x and y value, if you know, then only you can make the graph, right? So you have to make graph now. Okay. So here write x and here write y. What value should put so that you'll get the answer, children? Tell me. 4x minus 8 is equals to y plus 3. If you put x is equals to 0, you'll get. If you put x is equals to 0, you'll get y is
Sir,
equals to
y,
minus 11. You'll get, right?
if x is equal
Sir,
to 1, y is equal to,
sir, if x is equal to 1, the y will be
sir,
minus
if
7.
x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 7.
Minus
7.
7. Okay. So y you should keep on minus 1. Now you should can draw the graph for this, right? You can draw the graph easily, right, children?
Yes, sir.
You simply just draw one graph like this.
Sir, I got the values. If y is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 2.5. And if y is equal to 1, x is equal to 3.
What? Tell once again what you're saying. Y is equal to
Y is equal to 1, x is equal to 2.5. If y is equal to minus 1.
y is equal to minus 1. This becomes 1. So 1 will go that side, become 10. 10 by 4, 2.5. Yes.
And then second one, if equal to 1, then x is equal to 3.
If x is equal to 1,
Sir, if y is equal to 1, x is equal to 3.
then x is equal to 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 4x minus 1 is equal to 11. 4x is equals to 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Yeah, we will get the same answer. So either you can do by any two coordinate you can use and you can plot the graph. Okay, children, there are four coordinates over here. Here there are 4 coordinates, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 coordinates. You can take any 2 coordinates. Okay, the all thing will lie on the same thing. Okay, so if you write here 0, then minus 11 will somewhere here. Minus 11, what? Why you should write no minus 11? So better we take this small one only. Okay, you take this one and this one. Better last two only will take off. The same thing will come here, children. At minus 1, if y x is minus, sorry, y is minus 1, they are saying no. 2.5 will come where? Somewhere 1, 2, 3. The 2.5 will come where? Somewhere here. 2, you should get minus 1. So minus 1 should be here. So 2.5 comma minus 1. Is it clear how it is coming, children? How this point is coming over here, understood?
Yes, sir.
Then 3 comma 1. At 3 it should be 1. So 3 is here, it should come, 1 will come like here. So how the graph will come? It will come like this. Understood?
Yes, sir, I got it like that.
Yes, I also got it.
You have to draw like this only, children. You can just draw it neatly on the graph paper. Okay. If you're reading this chapter here, no, your 90% doubt will be cleared. It means class 10th you should not read. 90% will be cleared to you in the class 10th. You are not having anything in class 9th. Only you should represent one variable, two variable. That's it. Nothing is there in class 9th if you see the textbook. So now question number 3rd.
So this is class 10.
Extra questions like class 10th only because they won't ask like
Okay, sir.
9th also you can see, not a problem because similar things are repeating in class 10th. This is the extra question of class 9th only. I'm not doing class 10th, but it's similar to class 10th only.
Okay, sir.
So question number 3rd is find the value of find the value for which equation 2x plus ay is equal to 5 has 1 comma minus 1 as a solution. Find 2 more solutions for the equation obtained. Find the value of a for which equation 2x plus ay is equals to 5 has 1 comma minus 1 as a solution. So Ashini, you tell me what to do with this, Ashini. Ashini and Satvik.
Yes,
Both,
sir.
what to do with this? Anybody else can tell me, Ashini and Satvik. What to do in this question?
Sir, we
Fine.
should substitute 1 to x and minus 1 to y.
Minus 1 to y and find a value.
Yeah, it's very easy to find, right? So put
Sir, but a value will change as x values and y values changes, right?
but here in the they have only given no.
Oh yeah, they have given the solution.
Yeah. You find the value of a for which equation has solution. So at this value, this will be 5 only. So 2 into 1 plus a into minus 1 is equals to 5.
Sir, minus a is equals to 3.
Minus a, but we have to find a, no, we should not find minus a.
So a is equal to minus 3.
So we'll get here a is equals to minus 3. Understood, children? So find 2 more solutions. So simply you keep on changing the value, you'll get the different answers. Okay. Once you can put 0, whatever you want to put, you can put. Okay. So put x is equal to 0, y is equal to what is coming. You can keep on doing that. A is equal to minus 3 has come, means you can write the this equation as equation becomes what? Equation becomes 2x plus, sorry, minus 3y is equals to 5. This is the equation, understood? Now you can find 2 more solutions. You can do easily. Just draw one x and y value thing over here. Okay, and draw a shape over here, and you can find here whatever you want. You can do solution. You can find easily. X and y you put. So if you put x is equals to 0, then what will get y? Y is equal to something will come. If then what will get?
Sir, we
If-
can't find the value like that because we have A also, no?
If already we have put here right now, minus 3y is equal to 5.
So A will remain constant in all the situations.
Yeah, that will be same. All situations same only.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Because this is satisfying. This was satisfying to this equation. Okay.
Sir, so what I have to understand is A is constant for any situation, even if we change x and y.
Yeah, because here see, this is the thing. Not remember anything. This is the point which is satisfying this equation. It means how A will change. If A will change, means this will not satisfy only now.
Yeah, sir, but it's
Yes.
for that equation only, right, sir? And then if
Yeah.
we change the solution, then the A would also change. Is
No,
it like
A will never change. A will constant only. X will change means Y will change, not A will
okay?
change.
So according to A, we have to get new solution. So x and y have to adjust different values.
Yeah. Always. Yeah. So this is the hint given to find the A value only, because this is satisfying the equation, and that must come 5 only. The A value should be constant.
Sure. So can they ask us the value of A without giving the hint, like 1 minus comma 1?
Then how will find? You can't find only now. How will find if
We
two?
can't find like that. No?
Sir means here is he is just telling that first you need to substitute the value of A, then after that we need to do two more solutions by substituting the value of x and y by keeping the value which we got of A.
Yeah. So if Y is equals to 0, if Y is equal to 0, X is equals to what you get?
2.5.
upon 2.
2.5.
2.5.
Yeah, 5 upon 2.
And
Next,
sir, if Y is equal to -1, then X is equal to 1.
Y is equal to -1, it becomes 3. Yeah, X is equal to 1. Yes. So by the help of these two, you can draw these are the two solutions. So solution is 2.5 comma 0 and 1 comma -1. Okay. 1 comma -1 already is there for the solution. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir, I can take that.
Two other you can find also. So if you put 1, if you put, what will come? 3 plus 2, 5. 4 will come. Now if you put 1, y is equal to 1, then you get, what will get? 5
Yes, sir,
plus
4
3, 8.
only. 4
will
only.
get.
X
This
will
is
be
this
4.
4 comma 1. Yes. So these all are the solution. This all are the solution for this equation. For this equation, these all are the solution only. Understood, children? So way will be
Yes,
same,
sir.
and your answer, whatever you put, you will get the same answer all the time. Put 4 is y, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 1. X is equal to 2.5, y is equal to 0. You will get the same answer all the time. Okay, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear, Shriyanvi?
Yes, sir.
So next question, number 4. Give equation of two lines on the same plane which are intersecting at point 2, comma 3. Give equation of two lines on the same plane which are intersecting at point 2, comma 3. Means x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. You can do directly. X minus y is equals to 2 minus 3 is what? -1. Correct? And x plus y you can take is equal to 5. That's it now. Or whatever you put, you can write 2x also. 2x
Sir, I took
minus
X plus 1 is equal to Y.
x plus 1 is equal to y. Yeah. So you can write so many this like equation, right? And this will intersect at this point
Sir.
only if you solve.
Can we do it like first we need to draw the graph, sir? Then
How will do the graph without equation?
no, sir. 2, comma 3, sir. The graph
Ah.
for 2, comma 3. Then the line which we got, sir.
How will
we
get
need to
line?
mark.
This is coordinate, no, 1 point. How this line will come? 2, comma 3 means
Oh.
what? Point, no.
Yes, sir.
Then what you do after that?
Sir, I have 5 also.
So this is the coordinate is given. This should satisfy the equation. What you are going to form the equation. This should satisfy. You can do easily. Whatever you write here, 2x plus 3y is equal to. Put the value here. 2 to the 4, 3 to the 9, 9 4 13. What is coming in your mind? You keep on putting whatever the thing is coming. X, y you write. Put the value of x and y is equal to something you can write. That will satisfy the equation. Understood? Ashini,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
tell me any more equation. We have 3 equations right now. Tell me any one equation which you know, which can intersect the point. Tell me.
So on the graph,
No, equation you tell me. Equation which will satisfy this one. They're asking no, give equation of 2 lines. So if you draw any 2 graph you take, no, any 2 graph if you take, children, if you take any 2 graph, you'll get the answer as 2, 3 only. It intersect at 2, 3. Understood? Ashini, tell me fast. And if you're not understanding,
Yes,
that
sir.
also you can tell me.
so not yet, sir.
Not getting.
No, sir.
See, what I told here is how to make the equation is whatever you can write x minus y, x plus y, whatever you want to put. Suppose I'm writing minus x plus 3y. Put here x is equal to 2. So minus 2 plus 3 into 3. What will you get? 3 3 is a 9, 9 minus 2. That is 7. Understood? So
Yes,
equal
sir.
to 7. This is one equation. Like that only you can make the equation. Understood or not now?
Yes, sir. So,
Wha-
sir,
what-
can we substitute any number in the place of x? and
No,
y?
no. You can substitute this only to find the solution. Okay. Only you should substitute x and y this only.
Okay, sir.
You can't substitute anything else because if you solve any 2 equation, no, any 2 equation, if you solve this one or this one, if you find solution, suppose you're finding the solution, no. If you are making the graph of these 2, your answer will be 2, 3 only. Understood? It should not
Yes, sir.
always, it should be like this only. Yeah. So you have to now tell me, Ashini, tell me any other equation. Now 4 equation becomes first equation, second, third, fourth. Any other equation you
So,
have?
but if we replace only this, we get only one equation, right?
But they're asking you with 2 lines, if you solve, then only you get this answer, no girl. By 1, you'll get infinite solution, right? To get only
Yes,
one
sir.
answer, 2 equations should be there, no, must.
Yes, sir.
Tell me any other more example, any one example also. You can tell any one other example.
So, sir, can we equal it to any number?
If you put the value of x and y, then only you can, that only one number will
Yeah.
come, no? How different number will come?
No, sir. If I put x as 2 and y as 3 and equal it to somewhat minus 2, then
How it can come? How it will come? Suppose here if you put 1 and 1, it will come minus 1 plus 3. It become minus 2. 7 only should come, no? If you here this should must. If x should be 2 only, y should be 3 only. It should must. This is must, okay? This is must. Is it clear, Ashini?
yes, sir.
Now tell me any other example.
So 14 minus 7.
14 minus 7. Where is x? X should be there now in the equation. X and y both
Yes,
should
sir.
be there.
Minus 14 plus. No,
Minus
wait.
14.
no, sir. No.
If you're not understanding, you'll tell me, I'll tell once again.
So it is a bit hard. It is a bit
Hard.
hard for me.
What hard? You can take any example, Ashini. See, minus x minus y is equal to, put the value. What is coming that you put it? Simple. X is equal to put minus 2, minus 3, minus 5 put. This will become one more equation. What is hard in this, Ashini? What is coming in your mind? Whatever it's coming in your mind, put that. Tell me what is coming in your mind. Tell me. X and y should come. Tell me.
Plus 2 minus 3.
X should be there. No, x and y must be there in that. In the equation, x and y must be there.
Plus 2x minus 3y.
Put the value of x here. 2 2s are 4. See, 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, minus 3 into 3. So 4 minus 9, you will get to minus 5. That's it. Got it now?
Okay, sir. Yes.
So this is very easy. Nothing is there in that. What is coming in your mind? I'm telling only.
So I
And
was
if-
just confused.
Okay. So children, there are 6 equations over here. You can take any 2 equation no and try to solve at home. Your that both will intersect at point, and that point will be 2 comma 3 only. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Here we have written 6 solutions, 6 equations we have written here. Try it by any 2 of the equation at home. You will get those 2 intersecting lines will meet at 2 comma 3 only. Understood?
Yes, sir.
All right. Shall I move further, Ashini? It's clear for you?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Because easier than this question, you can't get anywhere. So whatever is coming in our mind, we should put x and y you put over in that equation, get the answer. That's it. Now, fifth question is the easy question, right, children? Fifth question is the easiest one. 4 solution of 2x minus y. Simply we just draw one line and get the answer. Simple. What you do? You just put one box over here.
Sir, I got it, sir.
Yeah. And draw one line over here. Here write x. Here write x. Here write y. Put x is equal to 0. Then y is equal to minus 4.
Yes, sir. Minus 4.
Y is equal to
X is
0.
equal to y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2.
This 2 equation over. Now third one.
X is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 6.
Hmm.
And x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2.
Over. Minus 1 if you put, this will go and become 6. Y is equal to 6. If you put x is equal to minus 1, right? So minus y is equal to 6. So y is equal to minus 6, no? At
Yes,
x
I
is equal
forgot the
to
last step. Y is equal to minus 6. Sorry.
So x is equals to 1, then y is equal to minus 2. Yeah. Now everything is correct. So you can write infinite number of solutions. Here they are asking only 4, but you can write infinite number of solutions. Okay. Now tell me, children, question number 6. Sriyanvi, tell me the answer for this question number 6 one. Sahil, tell me the answer for this.
Yes, sir.
This is very easy question. What they have left or what? Ashini, Ritvik, what they left?
No, sir.
Yeah, they have left, I think. That the Sai Charan is also not there. Okay, fine. Ashini is coming back. Okay. Okay, till Sahil.
Yes, sir.
Shriyanvi, you are getting it or not?
So what's that mean by a distance of 2 units on the left side of y-axis?
Parallel to y and is at distance 2 units from the left side. Suppose this is the y-axis. No, this is the y-axis. So left will be this one.
I'm not getting this question.
So can the equation will be like 2x minus 2y is equal to something.
See, here is given
Sir,
parallel.
I'm not getting this, sir.
See, I'm just explain the question first. Write linear equation representing a line, which is representing a line, which is parallel to y-axis. What I told you, children, if x is equal to mention something, then this is what? Parallel to what?
Y-axis.
This is
Hello,
clear,
sir.
no? Yeah, tell me, Sriyanvi.
Is it x minus 2? X equals minus 2, x equals minus 2.
X equals to minus 2, you're saying, right?
Is it?
Okay, let me check. I think 99% correct.
We have
Okay.
to do it in one variable or two variable.
Can do by your wish. If one variable will do, will not get some what parallel to how will get parallel to y-axis.
So it should be two variable only.
Yeah. If that point will come, no, if you do in one variable. So I add distance 2 units from the left on the left side of y-axis. It means this is like this, and 2 unit is left side. It means this is -2, correct? And this is parallel here like this. So this is what correct answer. You can write x is equal to -2, or you can write x plus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, your wish.
But then we don't have y here, sir.
Why y required? Why y is required here?
So we can also write it as like x plus 0 into y. It is nothing but the same as
Yeah,
like
you can
x
write.
plus 2.
Yeah, you can write x plus 0 y.
Sir, because it's only having to be parallel to y-axis, can we write x equals to 2 also?
X is equal to 2 y, right? If you write x is equal to 2, this become what? This instead of this left, right should come.
Oh, okay, left side, okay.
And if they not give left side, right side, then you can write x is equal to -2 or x is equal to 2, your wish. If they not
Okay,
give
sir.
left and right. Okay. Is it clear, children, or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it's clear, sir.
Now see the 7th question. This is the easy question. Write the coordinate of point where it meets. It means where it intersect. No, that only should find. Okay. Hey, but what they have given here? Represent this by graph. Okay. This is very easy graph. Draw the line where the point meets, that you can find easily, right? Suppose I'm giving example to you. You understanding the question or not, children? Who is not able to understand the question only? Question number 7. Who is not able to understand the question? Any one of you who is not able to
Also, we have
understand?
to write the coordinates of x and y.
Yeah, where it meets at the x-axis and y-axis. Suppose this
So
is
what
your,
is meant by like where write the coordinate of the point where it meets? Like
Yes, sir, I didn't understand that part.
okay, that I'm telling you. Wait. If you think for 2 minutes, you'll get pakka. 100% you can think. Suppose if your graph is Shriyanvi, you're getting what they're asking in the question.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what they're asking in the question.
Is it the coordinates where it's in the line x-axis or in the line y-axis?
Yes. See here, this is x-axis and this is minus x-axis. This is y and this is minus y. I don't know how the line will appear on the graph paper. Suppose it appears like this. Okay. So where it cuts at x-axis and where it cuts at y-axis. This coordinate they are asking. That's it.
Okay, sir, I got it.
Everyone, I think everyone got.
Yes, sir.
See, write the coordinate of the point where it meets at x-axis. It means this point, and second point is this one. That's it. Suppose the graph came like this. So this is your y-axis and this is your x-axis where it meets. So that part you need to write. Is it clear?
like that coordinates
Yes, sir.
where it meets.
Yeah.
Okay,
It
so
means that if you put x is equal to 0, you'll get y value. If you put y is equal to 0, you'll get x value. That's it.
yes, sir.
Suppose I'm just finding over here. Simply I'll write directly x and y. If I put x is equal to 0, what I'm getting? Y is equal to 2. If you're putting y is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. So your answer will come 0, 2 and 3, 0.
3,0.
So 0, 2 where it lies? 0, 2 is nothing but this only. 0,
Y-axis.
and here is 0, 3, 0.
So we have to write the coordinates.
Yeah. So if you write here, so you
Okay,
should
sir.
write coordinates. This point is nothing but coordinate only. You can't write 3, no. How you can write?
Yes.
This is 3, 0 only you should write. So your answer will be what? Your answer will be
0,
X-
2 and 3,
yeah.
0.
X is nothing but 3, 0 and y axis is 0,
Y is 0,
2.
2.
Like this one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's the end, children. If you want to write 1-2 more questions for homework. You can write it and you can solve. If you're having doubt, you can ask. See, down 2, 3 questions are there. If you can take it for homework, you can take it off. 8, 9, 10, 3 more questions are there. If you want to write, take the screenshot, you can take it. And if you're having doubt, you can ask. We'll start next chapter from the next class, okay? Any other
Hello,
chapter?
sir. You know the test. What is the topic?
This test topic you are saying.
Yeah. Is it lines and equations?
This chapter is linear equation, 2 variables, right? This one and one more question will do that. Okay, 2 chapters will mix it.
Okay.
We'll just try to do 2 chapters. I'll send you tomorrow that one. Okay, the portion of it. Children, you can take the screenshot of these 3 questions. If you're having doubt, you can ask in the
Yes, I
next
took
class.
the screenshot.
Yeah.
Sir, I'll try to do them.
All of you just try. So this week you are having test of this chapter, and before any one chapter I'll take off. Okay, tomorrow I'll message in the group.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Bye,
Okay,
sir.
children, you can leave for the day.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye, children. Want to ask anything, Nihar?